Using the INTIX Scanner app is a game changer for managing entry at your event. With the INTIX Scanner app, you can scan tickets and check in guests to keep crowds moving, set up different entry gates for different ticket categories, and keep an updated view of your event with live attendance tracking. Download the INTIX Scanner app on Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Log in using your event role credentials, select the event that you want to scan tickets for, click on the green camera icon, enable camera access, and start scanning. If a customer can't find their ticket or if a ticket is not scanning via camera, you can still scan tickets. Use the search bar to enter the ticket holder name. Click on their name in the attendee list to open the ticket details. The activity log will show details if the ticket has been used or scanned before. Click the green Check In button to manually scan in. You can access the Scanner app settings by clicking the icon in the top left corner of the app screen. Use settings to change the event that you are scanning for and change scanning behavior. For example, scan in or scan out. This can be a useful tool for capacity management in real time, as it will ensure the attendance numbers of your dashboard reflect up-to-date numbers of attendees on site. While the scanners are checking attendees into an event at the main entrance, you can also designate someone to scan people out at the exit. In app settings, select Scan Behavior. The default setting is Scan to check in. Select Scan to check out. If you have an attendee that can't find their ticket, search the attendee name and swipe left to scan them using the Check-in button. If you can't scan a ticket or are getting a message that the ticket has already been used, search the attendee by their name and click to see the ticket history. The activity log will show if a ticket has been used before. If you can't scan any tickets, check the settings in your Scanner app to ensure they are set to the correct event and that the scanning behavior is set to scan in.